Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage turnover categories. First, click on General, then go to Turnover Categories. You are now in the overview of your turnover categories. To create a new one, click on plus Add Turnover Category. A new window will open where you have to enter the name of the new category. To do so, use the corresponding text field. Once you set up the name, click on Save to apply the changes. If you want to change the order of your turnover categories, simply drag and drop the turnover category to the desired position. To edit a turnover category, use the corresponding editing icon. If you wish to delete a category, click on the corresponding bin icon. To make sure you are not deleting an item by accident, you will be asked to confirm your action. To do so, click on Delete. To display the subcategories, use the down-facing arrow to expand the list. To create a sub-turnover category, select the main category you want to have it assigned to. Once selected, the chosen category will be highlighted in orange. Then repeat the steps of creating a new turnover category by clicking on plus Add Turnover Category. The new turnover category will then automatically be assigned to the parent category selected before. Once you entered the name of the new turnover category, go ahead and click on Save. Your turnover group is now assigned to a higher level turnover category. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and manage turnover categories. Keep in mind, since changes have been made, you must send them to your system by navigating to the general settings.